everybody, welcome to Rex TV. Today we are going to check about glasses and contacts. Let's see what happens.
I usually wear regular glasses like this one, and they are pretty easy to wear and kind of comfortable, but sometimes you can break them, or if you are playing any sports or you are practicing an activity, they are not very useful or practical, and so I suggest you to use other kind of glasses. I kind of collect these glasses because you can match them with your clothes and you can wear them for serious activities. For example, I have this one. These ones are generic. They are not made from a famous brand or something, but they have my graduation, so I bought them at the Chinese store or at the Mexican black market. Look, they break very easily, but they are super cheap, so you can buy thousands of them, you can buy millions of them, and you can buy all the colors, and you can match them with all your clothes. The only bad thing is, like I told you, they break easily. Look. Oh my god. And so now let's review the contacts. I am a fan of contacts because with contact lenses you can swim, you can do sports. So I have look, these ones are some old contacts that I kept and I've been keeping for forever, and so by now I think they are rotten, or they are not good anymore. But let me show you. Oh. Look, these are these are gray color, and so contacts are made of a very soft plastic. Contacts are not cheap and they require a lot of care. So you have to keep your hands clean and you have to keep the containers clean and everything in order so you don't get an eye infection or something like that. So we're gonna try those so you can see how they look. If you don't remember if they are good or not, you can try them on and they will feel uncomfortable when they get old, so they get stiff. Oh, wearing contacts is not very easy. You have to practice a lot. This is how you remove a contact. Let's open this package. This is liquid for contacts. This is the best brand ever because it doesn't burn, it's super light, just like tears and water, and it's very affordable. So you can buy the big bottles for a few dollars or pesos. So it comes with an extra friend right here. It comes with a portable bottle, a travel one. Let's open this baby. Woohoo! We have this one, and so we're gonna open this big bottle. Let's open this baby right here. Whoa! It's a huge bottle. And then it comes with this extra case for your new contacts. So let's open some new contacts. These are brand new contacts that we're going to use today. Look, they come like this, and you can see the color. Sometimes they are clear, and you can get them graduated with color or clear ones, no matter. Only color ones they have a special cost, or like they cost a little bit of extra money, but they look super cool. So let's open this one. We're gonna use them. Oh, here it is. You be careful because it has a lot of liquid and you can spill it all over. So open them carefully. Here they are. And I'm excited. Woohoo! So with these contacts I can see from far and I can read, and they look kind of natural, so I love them. Usually I wear contacts when I go to the beach or when I practice sports with my friends, like skating or capoeira and shit. Here we go. Wash the contacts like this, and with this part of your finger you make little circles, and then you clean that baby right there. Ready. Okay, here we go. The first time I wore contacts, it was like 10 years ago. Oh! And it was a torture because I cried for hours and I couldn't put them in. But you just have to practice a lot, alright? Don't worry. Look. Let's use the other one. Here they are. Oh, brand new babies. When they are new, they feel so comfortable, and you won't feel them for hours. Sometimes you can even eat them. Have it here. Solo me voy a poner esto. You give some circles there. And put your finger on the whole contact so you can hold it like this. You see? And then just stick it in them. So you can put a little bit of extra liquid and feel freshness. There you go.
Oh,